Hi, this is Jürgen Hohen, Lederhosen Salesforce, and I'm going to show you how to sign into the government cloud. Now, it's a secured cloud for the North American government, and it's a secure cloud for the German, French. This is the same way. The typical Salesforce sign-in just doesn't work. Whoops. Houses in San Francisco, nope. Here. So what you do is you log in here and say by theory I work at the SFMTA. You actually go over here to custom domain, where you then put in your special thing that resets the pointer to that, or you won't be able to get to this. This is nowhere documented. That's how you get to the secure government cloud in North America. That's how you're going to do in Germany, France, England, UK, Japan. Then the pointer's there. It repoints, and after a while you don't have to, you'll remember, and then it lets you, I'm using the training portal as an example. Now I can go back to my email, do my training, and it lets me sign in and tracks me. Hey Jorgen, what are you going to do now? Oh, my training in progress. Let's see. Administrative experienced admins, that's me. Certification for platform app builder. Set up and building communities. Enjoy the video. That's it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I know this will help. Now I have to figure out how to stop the recording.